industry as an R&D expert, an integrated manufacturer from wafers to modules, a manufacturer of off-grid systems, and also an investor, a developer, and an EPC of PV projects. Aiming to deliver green energy worldwide, Ryzen Energy Company Limited is developing internationally with offices and sales networks in China, Germany, Australia, Mexico, India, Japan, USA, and others. So it's time to hear from the Senior Sales Manager of Ryzen Energy. Let's give a warm round of applause, please, for Mr. Alan Shi.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. My name is Alan Shi, Senior Sales Manager from Ryzen Energy. Today is very glad to be here and having the chance to introduce my company's new products. Okay, so let me start my presentation. Okay, my presentation subject is Ryzen's production revolution 700 watt plus HJT hyper ion module. So you may be curious why Ryzen chose the HJT technology and promoting the HJT module. So I think we have to think about the technology challenges first. I think there are four technology challenges in the market right now. First one obviously is the cost. So every supplier, I think they are trying every way to minimize the production cost, and also we are working hard to increase the mass production efficiency of the products. And in the third aspect, this reliability that we pay attention because the PV modules will be operating for over 20 years, so we need more reliable products. And last but not the least, I think everybody will pay more attention to also the sustainability because we have the carbon neutral target, and the products with the lower carbon footprint will be preferred in the future. And considering all these challenges, that's the reason why Ryzen is choosing to HJT technology. So what exactly is HJT technology? Let's take a look at the structure of the solar cell of HJT structure. The HJT cell is made of N-type crystal silicon substrate and layers of amorphous silicon. And on the layers, and on top of the layers, there is a so-called TCO films. The material is made of indium tin oxide. The advantage for this film is they have better anti-reflection and better conductivity. So with the N-type heterojunction structure, the solar module will have higher bifacial D, high reliability, high power, high efficiency, and also low temperature coefficient. So Ryzen module now already break the new watt record with 741 watt of the power for the PV module, and also the efficiency is more than 23%. At the mass production level, the cell efficiency reaches 25.5%, and the module efficiency reaches 22.5%. I think this is among the highest level for all the modules in the market right now. Okay, for the wafers, we are using the same wafers, 100 micrometers, compared with the 150 micrometers we were using in the PERC module. So by using this super thin wafers, we are reducing the material of the material usage and also reduce the carbon emission. So in such, this will improve the reliability of the products. And also in the next generation, we are targeting for a more thinner technology for wafer, which will be 80 micrometers wafer. And in the cell size, we are adopting G12 size. This will because this will facilitate the cost reduction and also the efficiency for the mass production. For the slicing of the ingot, we have the half ingot slicing technology compared with the traditional slicing. We are not slicing for the solar cell, we are slicing in the wafer stage. So by adopting this new technology, we are having less loss of the slicing. And for the bus bar, they are currently have two problems and the challenges. One is the high temperature production process. It will increase the material use and have more carbon emission. And secondly is the silver usage of the material. So for resin's hypoion production, we are using the low temperature process. And in the cell production stage, we only use the low content silver paste fingers in the cell, but no bus bar are adopted in the cell stage. For the module assembly stage, we are using the silver copper wire technology, and also we have our patented technology hyperlink, and also we're using the customized encapsulation film to increase the reliability of our products. Okay, we make a comparison of PERC module, TOPCon module, and HJT module. There are many advantages. So the typical one for three aspects. One is the bifacial rate. So you can see for HJT module, the bifacial rate is much higher than the PERC module. 85% of the bifacial rate compared with PERC module, 70%. So you will produce more power by using the HJT module. And also another important parameters is the power coefficient, temperature coefficient. You can see also the HJT module have better performance, and you will generate more power, even especially on the tropical area with the higher temperature. Last but not is important, which is I think is most importantly is the degradation performance. For HJT module, even in the first year, we guarantee almost same 2% of the first year degradation, but after the first year, from second year to third year, the 30th year, the annual degradation is almost half of compared with the PERC module. So in the whole lifestyle span, the HJT module will still retain 90% of the power in the last year of 30 years, and it is, I think it's 6% more higher than the PERC module, and also higher than the TOPCon module. Okay, another important measures Ryzen taking for improve the sustainability of the products is we are also offering the option for steel frame. Other than aluminum frame, we offer the same. Another solution is the steel frames. So for the clients who require low carbon frame products, this is a very good solution. So you can see by using 1 gigawatt, 650 watt modules shipped by sea 10,000 kilometers distance. The steel frame, and by using different like steel frame and aluminum frame, the carbon emission in the life cycle is 77% different. So this is a very huge difference. And also for the steel frame, it has more advantages, like it has 1.7 1.3 higher resistance and one-third of the carbon emission reduced. And also it has more stable raw material and supply and prices. So if you choose this frame, you will have more choices and lower prices, I think. And also for the frame, we are using zinc, aluminum, and magnesium coating for protecting the rusty and the corrosion. So it also has a very excellent corrosion performance. And for resin's higher IR module, we already tested with the third-party laboratories. The carbon footprint is lower than 400 kilogram, equivalent of CO2 kilogram per kilowatt. Okay, let's take a look at the warranty. So you can see from this graph, the first year degradation is not so good as the Topcon, but in the whole lifespan, after 30 years, the HJT module will still retain over 90% of the power, which is much higher than Topcon and the PERC module. Okay, we also do the field testing in 21 different countries and regions with different climate situations. So generally, based on the testing result, the HJT technology products have higher power generation, which is 4 to 6% than the PERC and 1 to 3% higher than the Topcon module. And the key advantage of the HJT is also the key factors for affecting the power generation, which is bifacial rate and the power degradation and the power temperature coefficients. And also we do our economics analysis with different type of technology, which we take an example for 1.4 megawatt power plant. We're using 550 watt PERC module and 580 watt Topcon module. Okay, and also we're using the 700 watt HJT module. So the power generation is 6% higher than the PERC module, and also 4%, around 4% more than the Topcon module. And in terms, if we say about the LCOE, we also do a calculation. So if based on the same module price, the Topcon module is around 3.5% higher. Sorry. And the HJT module is around 6%. So if based on the same LCOE, the Topcon module and HJT module will also have a price range around 4 to 6 US cents. Okay, for resin's HJT module, we have now two types of module. The 132 cells for 700 watt plus for the utility scale, and also 110 cells for around 185 watt for the small utility scale and headquartered in Ibo, Ninghai, Eastern China, and we have 6 production bases, 5 in China and 1 in Malaysia, with 3 gigawatts of capacity in Malaysia. And we have 22 sales service centers across all the main PV market. And also, we are a company not only doing the PV module. We have a subsidiary company called SYL. They provide the ESS solutions. So we already have 5 gigawatt of the integration experience not only in China but also in Europe and America. And also here in Philippines, we adopt one pilot project, small microgrid projects. Okay, here is a brief introduction for the products. We are now using the standard 280 amp hour LFP prismatic cells, and and also we have NCM cell for different use of the application, and we assembly into module, into rack, and also we can provide the solution from small CNI projects and utility scale and large utility scale with air cooling and liquid cooling solutions with different combination of the energy battery. Okay. Let me introduce a little bit about the energy storage reference we are done in China and also in Europe, Belgium. This application for energy shifting, renewable energy smoothing, and ancillary services. Also in USA, we do quite a lot of projects by offering the DC side solution for the whole battery rack and PCS. Here are 2 projects we have do last year in USA. It's 100 megawatt scale in application in USA, and I hope in the future in Philippines we can also provide some products here in Philippines. Okay, thank you so much for this is the end of my presentation. Thank you.